Insurgency review and $4,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Insurgency review, a brand new product released by Jono Armstrong and Rash. This is all about generating thousands of clicks for pennies. Okay, so Rash is the expert and I actually buy traffic from him every single month and he knows exactly how to translate it into thousands of dollars in sales, and you can make $1,000 in commission super easily. I've done it in the past, so this method is all about scaling up, and obviously it works even if you have zero traffic because you will get traffic on demand. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Insurgency review by Jono Armstrong and Rash. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you the proof that I'm actually buying traffic from Rash every single month. So as you can see, retarget boss, this is his product. This is retargeting Facebook ads and Google ads, and as you can see, I'm paying him $397 every single month, sometimes more often. So we have it right here, then we have it right here as well. We have it right here as well. So again, I'm using him at least once a month and his stuff absolutely works. With that being said, let's check out the sales page. As you can see, it says Insurgency, 3 to 1 lift up, 3 steps and 2 minutes to activate automated 1K paydays, turn penny clicks into commissions with this unique traffic portal. 24 hours, 7 days per week, income from scratch, no guesswork, no experience. And this is not exaggerated. So scrolling down here again, Insurgency by Jono Armstrong and Rash. They don't really say it's Rash on the sales page right here, but this is the guy behind this actual method. Okay, again, Insurgency, and this is my Insurgency review. They are still adding proof while I'm reviewing this. Okay guys, so there will be proof right here, there will be more testimonials, so the sales page is not ready, but here are some key points. So again, free, quick and easy steps. So activate, connect and collect. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. As you can see, testimonials are still being added, proof is still being added, and that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area, because this is the exciting part. Okay, so as you can see, this is a video course. As you can see, we have the welcome video, then we have account and business manager setup. This is where you're going to be setting up your ad account, then Facebook ads overview, then you have Facebook pixels and custom audience. This is where you are actually paying pennies on the dollar. Okay, so normally if you would just go to Facebook and pay for an ad, sometimes you're gonna be paying $1 to $2, sometimes even more per click. With Facebook pixels and custom audiences, you are paying pennies. So this is the video that is worth all the money and much more when it comes to this course. Launching your Facebook ads campaign, a Facebook ad insights and optimization, and then we have the upgrades. I'm going to show you the upgrades in a second. So essentially, all in all, super easy to go through and understand. Video course, everything is in a video over the shoulder format, so you can just go through it, pause it at any point, create your own campaigns, do exactly what Rash is doing. And again, this is all about penny clicks, so you won't be spending any crazy amounts of money on this. So normally I always try to stay away from paid traffic, but as I said, I do use paid traffic, and when I use it is with Rash, so I actually pay him to do this for me, guys. So that's what you're gonna see on the inside. Let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, Insurgency will be $12.97, super cheap, one-time price. That's all you pay. Now upgrade number 1 will be $47, and this is Insurgency high ticket case studies. So in this upgrade, you're gonna get additional case studies on how to get all this traffic, how to use it for high ticket commissions. Okay, so obviously you can use this traffic for anything, but if you're going to use it for high ticket commissions, it's even better, $47. Insurgency audio number 2, we have $97, and as you can see, this will be 10x pack. So get license rights to 10 award-winning digital products, and you're going to be making 100% commission. So this is again a little bit more expensive, $97, but you're getting a reseller's license to 10 products. Pretty crazy, right? Next up, we have Insurgency upgrade number 3, $197, and this will be unlimited traffic on demand. So obviously this whole course is about Facebook ads, and if you have the opportunity to put your Facebook pixel on a page that will get hundreds of thousands of visitors, your ads will be super cheap. You're paying, you know, sometimes 1 penny per click. So with unlimited traffic on demand, this is what you can get. You're gonna place your Google Pixel on the sales page of Insurgency, and you can funnel the traffic out off of this page with ads, and you will know how to generate these ads because Rash will show you exactly how to do it. So this is again a little bit more expensive, but you will probably not be able to create a sales page that get hundreds of thousands of visitors, and you can put your pixel on the Insurgency's sales page. $197, but again, this is worth thousands of dollars. Upgrade number 4, we have Insurgency audio number 4, $97, and this is, as you can see, the high ticket backdoor. So with this upgrade, these guys are allowing you exclusive access to their high ticket auto funnel. This is completed with done for you ads and landing pages. Everything is self-hosted. And what you can do is you can actually earn up to $900 per commission this way. Okay, so this is all done for you and high ticket. And Insurgency upgrade number 5 for $167. This will be license rights to sell Insurgency as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. So before here we had the 10x pack Insurgency upgrade number 2 for $97. That's for 10 products, but if you want to actually sell Insurgency as your own product, this will be upgrade number 167, and you're getting 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So this includes this 197, 167, and both $97 options. But guys, with that being said, you'll be fine with the main course alone, and it's only $13, $12.97. The price will be going up after the launch, but make sure to show up early on May 5th at 9 a.m. to make sure to snatch it for $12.97. Now guys, let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you. First of all, again, Insurgency will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 7th. First of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these free custom-made bonuses are about generating even more traffic with free additional traffic sources. Okay, so obviously the more traffic you can generate, the more money you'll make, and these are free additional methods. Then I'm going to give you a huge bundle of 71 additional products. Okay, so actually let me show you these 71 products. These are all either courses or PLR courses or plugins or software. Okay, so you're getting 71. I'm not going to be mentioning all of these right here, but you're getting 71 bonuses. Then I'm also going to give you a reseller license to 3 of my top selling products. So you're getting 100% commissions on all 3. I'm also going to give you Buyers List Ninja, a course on how to generate a buyers list. Okay, so very, very important, especially if you already know how to generate traffic. You're also going to get Urgency Suits Pro, which is a piece of software for affiliate marketers, super useful as well. The Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Code, Fuego Breakout, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable, $10,000 per month, 10K a month online, Blaze, Flip Me, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic. These are all W's of the Day awarded products. And you're also going to get a bunch of additional plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, Biz, Sales Page Writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TurboTax, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Sochi Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, and 6 additional WordPress plugins. Now, this is a total of 112 bonuses, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. My mega bonus loan is worth $1,500, and you can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. So you're getting all of these, and this means that this total package is worth $4,997. This is all free for you, again, just as a thank you for picking up Insurgency through my link. And as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it out. Again, 9 a.m. Eastern on May 5th is when Insurgency goes live. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do is go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus, click on your icon right here with your name on the top right corner, go to the purchase history, click on Insurgency after you're going to pick it up, and you should see a button that says access your purchase. Below it you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get the bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts, it's all done for you automatically. And as always guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. This was my Insurgency review and bonus. Art signing out. Ciao.